This is my old daily driver laptop on which I used to do all my work. But now it's time to retire it from heavy workloads and use our brand new PC for that. And by the way, it also had a USB port that was weird. It was loose, so my devices used to disconnect randomly. Let's discuss the components now. For the CPU, it's a Ryzen 5 7600, which is IMO, a good budget 6-core CPU for my kind of workloads. The motherboard is an MSI Pro B650S Wi-Fi, which in its budget has some good features and PCIe slots, and I think it's enough for any AM5 CPU out there except the 170 watt CPUs like the 9950X and the 9900X. The RAMs are from Team Group, clocked at 6000 MHz with a CL38 rating. Ideally you should go with CL30 or CL32, but I got it for a good price. For the main boot drive, I have gone with the 1TB Gigabyte Aorus 5008 Gen 4 NVMe with respectable speeds. It's got 5000 MB per second read and 46 MB per second write. I installed an aftermarket Deepcool AG400 ARGB air cooler to keep the temps under control when extremely hot days of Delhi strike. For the PSU, it's a PK650D from Deepcool, which is a 80 plus bronze rated TSC unit and is ample for my PC. For the case, it's a huge Corsair 760T which I got used for a pretty good price of around $47 or 4000 INR. For the GPU, it's a GTX 1080 Ti from Galax I got used but with no box, so I can only show the tech part page, I guess. I have also installed other drives in this PC, which are a 2TB Crucial MX 500 SSD and 3 1TB HDDs running in RAID 0. So this is what the setup looks like now. It definitely is more open than my previous setup. And this is a beautiful PC that y'all have been waiting for. Ignore the cables, by the way, I got lazy as fuck. The case also has a DVD drive which I do need to use but can't right now since I've filled up all my SATA ports and now I need to buy a PCI to SATA expansion card to use it. I'll buy it later when I feel like it. The case comes with three 140mm Corsair AF140L fans with the two front fans having red LEDs. Both sides of the case open like a door, which definitely made the build process easier. Here is the 1080 Ti. Sasuke is looking cute, not gonna lie. For the performance, it runs Minecraft with 100 plus FPS basically all the time with 32 chunks, fancy graphics and complementary unbound shaders. So basically that's all there is for today. Now I can make some more quality content with the Ascendant. Yes, that will be my PC's name now. All the parts will be listed in the file linked in the description. Peace, comrades.